St. Jago High is represented this evening by Team Captain Janelle Essen, Renice Earl, Renee Somerville, and Nathaniel Baker. While York Castle High is represented by Team Captain Janique Emmanuel, Nikhil Lalwani, Tamola Neal, and Ryoma Muir. Hello everyone and welcome to the opening match in this best of three quarter-final series of TVJ's Schools Challenge Quiz. I'm Jean-Paul Menu. It's this best of three quarter-final series. Teams will have to defeat their opponents twice to advance to the semi-final round. It all comes down to this. High schools from across Jamaica have entered the challenge. But do they have the skill, the knowledge, and the temperament to move on to the next level? Let's get into the action. It's time for the opening challenge. In this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will receive 1 point for each correct answer. Earlier we had the toss. York Castle High won and decided to go first. So we begin with York Castle High. The section lasts for 4 minutes. We have that time on the clock, York Castle, so we'll begin immediately. With chemistry, what is a triple bond with 2 carbon atoms on either side called?
On either side.
Carbonyl.
Carbonyl.
No, ethanol. Chemistry for St. Jago. What is the name given to compounds with exactly 2 double bonds?
Double covalent.
No, dienes. International affairs, a visual one for York Castle. Look at the monitor and identify this person, please.
International. Tai Aske Selassie.
No, it's Ismail Omar Guelleh, President of Djibouti. International affairs for St. Jago. Look at the monitor and identify this person, please.
Salva Kiir Mayardit.
Salva Kiir Mayardit.
President of South Sudan. Correct. Mathematics for York Castle. The list price of a watch is $2,500 with a 30% discount on the item. What is the discount offered on the watch?
$750.
Good. Mathematics, St. Jago. A woman bought a pair of shoes for $4,000. She sells them at a discount of 20%. What is the selling price of the pair of shoes?
$3,200.
That's right. Physics, York Castle. A girl weighing 600 newtons walks up a flight of stairs 20 meters high in 1 minute. What is her output power?
Power, right, energy over time. So 600, 0, 0, 1, 2.
1, 2. What?
200 watts. Physics for St. Jago. A current of 2 amps flows in a circuit for 10 seconds. If the energy required to do this is 200 joules, what is the potential difference across the circuit?
10 volts.
10 volts.
That's right. Music for York Castle. Listen to the following clip and identify this singer.
Louis Armstrong.
Louis Armstrong.
No, it's Richie Valens. Music for St. Jago. Listen to the following clip and identify this singer.
When you make me cry, you say you're gonna leave. You know it's a lie, 'cause that'll be...
Elvis Costello.
No, it's Buddy Holly. History for York Castle. What was the code name of the U.S. invasion of Grenada in 1983?
Operation Urgent Fury.
Operation Urgent Fury.
That's right. History for St. Jago. What was the code name for the first nuclear bomb test?
Manhattan Project.
Manhattan Project.
No, they called it Trinity. Theatre and cinema for York Castle. Look at the monitor and identify this actor, please.
I'm playing a DC. Pollard. Pollard.
No, character actor Victor Garber. Theatre and cinema for St. Jago. Look at the monitor. Identify this actor, please.
Tom Cavanaugh.
Tom Cavanaugh.
No, it's Billy Zane. Spanish for York Castle. What is the English translation of Mis sobrinas viven en Chicago?
My nieces live in Chicago.
My nieces live in Chicago.
That's right, Spanish for St. Jago. What is the English translation for Tengo dos hermanos y una hermana?
I brothers and one sister.
I have 2 brothers and 1 sister.
That's right. Sport for York Castle. Look at the monitor and identify this person, please.
Jerome Waite.
No, Mark Nita, former Jamaican cricketer. Sport for St. Jago. Look at the monitor and identify this person, please.
Lawrence.
Lawrence Rule.
Very good. Also a former cricketer. And that's the bell already. That's the end of the opening challenge. The scores in the match look to be St. Jago high on 5 points, York Castle high on 3. When we come back, it'll be time for the Speed Challenge quarter-final action in schools. Challenge quiz returns right after these messages.